Good morning, good afternoon, class. Today I am going to discuss about financial management in accordance with MCA syllabus of IGNOU University. MCA's MCA's 035 फाइनेंशियल क्लास इधर द बोर्ड नोट कीजिए। फाइनेंशियल 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 मैनेजमेंट एमसीएस 035 फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट क्लास before discuss the accounting, understand the meaning of accounts. Look at the board and note करते चलेंगे। accounts so first of all we will understand the concept of accounts. Accounts are the process. Accounts are the process. Accounts are the process. Accounts are the process in which identify the records that is accounts that is here types of accounts. Identify the records, that means class, that is types of accounts. Classification of accounts. Classification of accounts, measuring of accounts, and as well as it is prepared in such a way that provides a statement, that provides financial write down, that provides financial statements, like balance sheet, manufacturing account, manufacturing account, profit and loss account, profit loss account, and so on, and so on. Ratherly, by the help of क्लास, अब आपके नोट्स जो मैं बोर्ड पे लिखूंगा वही नोट्स होगा, प्लीज आप इसको नोट कीजिए इन अकॉर्डिंग विद योर एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। ओके, अगर आप नोट नहीं करते हैं तो जो बोर्ड पे मैं लिखाता हूं दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और आपके एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से होते हैं। अब आपको अगर सीरियसली लग रहा है तो यू कैन नोट डाउन, आइदर यू कैन स्किप। Ratherly, by the help of following diagram, figure, by the help of following figure, we can understand the concept of account. Okay class, look at the board. We will see, हम लोग अभी here I am going to construct a circle for accounts like this. अकाउंट्स को एक साइक्लिक भी कहा जाता है, एज द नेम रिप्रेजेंट। ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई टर्म्स को अगर कहा जाता है तो उसके पीछे कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं। राइट डाउन क्लास। Okay, here we will see, थोड़ा और नीचे बनाइए तो ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा। अच्छा, like this. Here you can understand the concept of this. Okay class, this is here I am saying that the account क्या है, cycle है, that means it work as a form of cyclic form। किस फॉर्म में काम कर रहा है, it works as a account of cyclic। देखिए ध्यान से देखेंगे, if you will see this figure, if you will see this diagram, so you can observe it work, it behave like a cycle. Yes या no? First क्या होगा इस cyclic में, here write identification. What we will write class? Second, classification. Third, recording. And last is that interpreting. That means we can say it is the communicating. Here, interpreting. Does this work properly? Yes. Interpreting, and here communicating. Okay class, yeah, and here In-depth classifications means that we can write जर्नल अकाउंट्स। देखिए जो यहाँ पे बोर्ड पे बता रहे हैं बुक्स में नहीं होंगे, नोट्स में नहीं होंगे। Here when I will write the statement, write the notes in accordance with my observation, तो आप इसको नोट कीजिए if you want to obtain the distinctions marks, otherwise as your wish, जैसी आपकी श्रद्धा। जर्नल अकाउंट। Second is that ledger account. Third is ledger balancing. Ledger balancing account, and next is that trial balance, class, trial balance. Next is that subsidiary books. What is the Vikas? What is the meaning of subsidiary books? Can you explain? Subsidiary books. Next is that manufacturing account. Manufacturing account. Next is that PL account. Here I have written PL, so you can understand this meaning of PL. Profit and loss account. Yes, very good. And last is that classifications हो सकते हैं, yes या no? Classifications किसी भी तरह से हो सकता है, that may be a journal, ledger balancing, trial balance, subsidiary books, and in subsidiary books there are also number of parts. यह आपके नोट्स में है MCA का, ना इग्नू के ब्लॉक में ना कोई किताब में मिलेगा, इसलिए प्लीज इसको डायग्राम को बनाइए। अगर if I will speak to that's the important. सब्सिडी में होंगे फर्स्ट परचेज, सेल बुक, second is that cash book, third is that sell book, cash book, purchase return book, sell return book, sale में it is also the part of the two types of sales. First is that cash sale, and second is that credit sale. So like this, journal proper. Okay class, here I have written types of subsidiary books in accordance with your requirements. What is your requirement? You can construct, you can post the entry on which book. Okay, right now when you will classify, then you will record. Recording का मतलब ये नहीं हुआ क्लास कि गाना यहाँ पे रिकॉर्डिंग सॉन्ग प्ले करना है, ठीक है? तो रिकॉर्डिंग का मीनिंग है ट्रांजैक्शन में, अकाउंट्स में क्या होता है, गाना रिकॉर्ड करना नहीं, ट्रांजैक्शंस को रिकॉर्ड करना है ना? So here that means recording is that this is the transactions recording. Okay class, and last is that interpreting and communication. Mr. Vikas, can you explain what is the meaning of, what is the concept of interpreting? Yes, very good. Interpreting, that means this is its work, its behave like a report. Interpreting आप मैनेजर हो, you are a owner of this company. तो आप अकाउंटेंट से थोड़े पूछे जाओगे कि आप जर्नल कैसे मेंटेन किए हो, क्या किए हो, सीधा पूछेगा you are owner of this company, you are owner of this institution, so only you are concerned about the financial report, what in financial year, what we have achieved the time, what is the profit, what is the loss, what is the manufacturing, etc. यानी कि वो आपसे सिर्फ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट, दैट इज बैलेंस शीट. आर यू फैमिलियर विद दिस टर्म बैलेंस शीट? क्या होते हैं बैलेंस शीट?
It is the final book of accounts.
Why we will say this is the final book of accounts?
It gives the final output of our company reports.
Yes, that's why final accounts में कुछ नहीं होता है. ये पहले अपने स्टेटमेंट को चेंज कर लें. अकाउंट्स में कुछ भी चीज कभी फाइनल नहीं होता है. बैलेंस शीट में भी चेंज्ड. जब ऑडिट करने बैठेगा आप एक सीईओ से, जैसे मान लीजिए if I am a registered body, FITS is a registered organization by the government of India, तो हमारा जो सीए है वो क्या करेगा, ऑडिट करेगा. गवर्नमेंट ठीक है कंसीडर करेगा, लेकिन जब गवर्नमेंट अपनी ऑडिट करना शुरू करेगा तो क्या उसके बैलेंस शीट को ओके मानेगा क्या? तो अलग चीज है ना. तो कभी भी आप ओके नहीं कर सकते हैं. हाँ, यू कैन से, यू मे से कि मैंने अपनी जिम्मेदारी किया. हियर आई हैव परफॉर्म्ड a performed a transaction in whole year. In whole year, that is from 1st April, this is a financial year starting, and last is that 31st March, this is a closing year, ending year. Class, this is a financial year starting and this is a closing year. So, for 1 year, what you have performed during this year transaction, that will be clear, right, class? So here, already I think you have understand the meaning of accounts. What is the account cycle? How it works? How it behaves? What is the subsidiary books? What is the subsidiary books? Clear है? What is the, that means हमने पूरी accounts का basic concepts मुझे डिफरेंस किया. अब right now I am going to take an example for clarification of the. So class, look at the board. कोई एक क्वेश्चन लीजिए. We'll see in group. अच्छा, एक चीज और का, हम जब रिकॉर्डिंग करते हैं, ड्यूरिंग द रिकॉर्डिंग we must follow the golden rule. अकाउंट्स में एक पार्ट ये भी आता है, दिस इज गोल्डन रूल. This is golden rule. This is very important. Golden rule is very important because it ensures that how you can put the entry in credit and how you can put the entry in debit. Yes or no? Who ensures? Golden rule. But golden rule होता या मैंने अपने तरीके से डिजाइन किया है, टेबल रूल होता है. सबका ऑब्जेक्टिव एक ही है, रिकॉर्डिंग करना. दैट मीन्स both either if you use of the golden rule or a table rule, there is no difference. That depends on you which is comfortable. Okay, right now I am going to take an example. Look at the board.
Yes, sir.
Question. विकास नहीं, विकास बालाजी ट्रेडर्स. Look at the board. Balaji Traders started business Balaji Traders started business with 10 lakhs. ओके क्लास सेकेंड, इसी में ट्रांजेक्शंस में भी लुक एट transactions may be in a passage, transactions may be organized in a tabular form, transactions may be organized in a one by one. ट्रांजेक्शन आपसे पूछ के क्वेश्चन नहीं दिया जाएगा कि आपको क्या है, आपको समझना है कि कैसे ट्रांजेक्शन हो सकते हैं, टेबुलर फॉर्म में दिया हो सकते हैं पैसेज के रूप में दिया हो सकता है आपको T1 सीक्वेंस वाइज दिया हो, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन. So here I am going to write the passage. According to Balaji Traders started the business with 10 lakhs, 10 lakh. He purchased furnitures. He purchased.
It's the question number first.
Furnitures. He purchased furniture on credit. On credit. He purchased furniture on credit rupees 2 lakhs. 2 लाख रुपया का उसने फर्नीचर अपने ऑफिस में सेटअप किया. 2 lakhs. ओके क्लास, 2 lakhs. He paid salary 1 lakh. He paid salary 1 lakh to his or her employee. Yes or no? Look at the board. He sell the goods. He sell the goods on credit. He sell the goods on credit. He sell the goods on credit. He sell the goods on credit 70,000. He sell the goods on credit 70,000. He paid electricity bill. He paid electricity bill. He paid electricity charge. He paid electricity charge 10,000 rupees. 10,000 class, write down rupees 10,000. 10,000 बिजली इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस उसने पे किया है, या तो पहले यहाँ देख लीजिए या वो कर लीजिए. 10,000. He paid electricity charges 10,000. He sell specific goods. He sell specific goods. वो कुछ खास सामानों को he sell specific goods on discount. On discount basis. Discount. On discount of rupees. On discount of 10%. 10% of total MRP. Total MRP. he takes a loan from HDFC. He takes a loan from HDFC Bank. He takes a loan from HDFC Bank with flat 9.50%, with flat interest of 9.50% for look at the board, for 5 lakhs. He paid EMI rupees 12,000. 5 लाख का 12 में जाएगा 18,000. He paid EMI of rupees 19,000. फ्लैट 9.5% तो ले रहा है बस, ठीक है. He paid EMI of rupees 19,000 per month. वह EMI कितना पे कर रहा है बालाजी ट्रेडर? 19,000 रुपये. अब आप सोच रहे हैं सर इतना बड़ा क्यों ट्रांजैक्शन दे रहे? इग्नू में देखिए, यू आर मास्टर डिग्री स्टूडेंट्स एंड मास्टर डिग्री कोर्सेज में, इफ आई विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट कि सिर्फ एमसीओ, मास्टर्स डिग्री कोर्स में कभी भी ट्रांजैक्शन शॉर्ट फॉर्म नहीं रहेंगे, मैक्सिमम ट्रांजैक्शंस बड़े ही रहते हैं. तो प्लीज इस ट्रांजैक्शन को ज्यादा घबराइएगा नहीं, दिस इज वेरी इजी, आप समझ सकते हैं. So right now I am going to write he paid office rent. He paid office rent $25,000. 25,000. He insured general insurance of his business. He insured he paid extra. He paid traveling allowance. He paid traveling allowance. He paid traveling allowance rupees. He paid कितना रुपया traveling allowance कर दें? He paid traveling allowance of his या her employee of rupees 3,000. अपने स्टाफ को कितना पे कर रहा है? 3,000 पे कर रहा है. ओके क्लास, ट्रांजैक्शंस और भी पैसेज के रूप में हो सकते हैं. दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द स्टेटमेंट्स. राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू पोस्ट of this transaction into the journal account. Before posting of this transaction, they must know about the identifications, classifications, golden rule, and then we can post. So first I will write the format of journal account. What is journal account? In my previous video, previous lectures, you will see if you understand. Otherwise, you can skip. That depends on you. This is your choice. So here I am going to write journal account format. Like this, journal account format. Journal account format. Journal account. In some book, in some study materials, सबने अपने अपने तरीके से बताया है, बट मैं फॉरेन राइटर के बुक को ज़्यादा फॉलो करता हूँ, बिकॉज वो लोग इंडियन राइटर से ज़्यादा स्टैंडर्ड ऑर्गेनाइज किए होते हैं. सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू design the format of the journal account in accordance with the foreign writer standard book. So like this, first you must write journal account, यानी कि book of account, name of class, name